Hello friends, let's do construction of standard 10. We'll do only included part, we'll exclude the remaining constructions. We are not going to do that. So here's the first construction. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. So we also have to measure the two parts. So remember the question and answer accordingly. So very first job of mine is I have to draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter which is given to you. It is considered that it is already given to you. So this is line segment AB of length 7.6 centimeter. Now the next step I have to do is I have to draw two parallel rays at point A and at point B. For that I'll draw any ray. I can draw any ray at first point, say ray AX, making any angle right here. But in order to draw parallel ray right here, I will copy this angle at point B. In order to copy that angle, I'll have to construct an arc right here and one arc at this point, keeping same radius. Now you measure this angle and construct the same angle right here. So I'll get another ray making same angle. I can turn my page, you too can do so, and join these 2 points, leaving this and this ray to be parallel to each other. So here's my second ray. I'll call this ray as AY. So I hope you must be able to see this. So ray AX and ray BY. Now I have to cut this. This is the second method of this particular construction. Second method for this construction allows you to draw two rays right here. In first method you have to draw only one, but this one is easier, so that I prefer this. तो यहाँ पर ये आसान रहेगी आप लोग के लिए. The first segment that I want to have is 5 part and another part is of the measure 8 parts, so that on this ray I have to cut it into 5 equal parts. So make sure you adjust your protector with certain radius, arbitrary radius, but you make sure that all 8 parts can be accommodated on this ray and 5 over here. So you take it this way. Now put markings on this ray AX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, done. So I have drawn 5 cuts over here, and similarly I have to put 8 marks on another ray. So I'll do it for you very quickly. So it's done, but make sure that you have to keep the same measure. Whatever measure you have taken right here, you need to keep the same measurement to draw these arcs as well. So call this as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. There are 5 parts over here and 8 on this ray BY. Now construct a line segment joining A5 and B8. This line segment will divide our line segment AB in the desired ratio. Let me call this point as P. So AP will be 5 times and PB will be 8 times. So P point divides the entire line segment AB in the ratio 5:8. And what you have to do is you'll have to measure this AP, which seems to be 3.1 or somewhat, and you'll also have to measure this, which is approximately 4.5. So you also have to write AP and PB. So this is the first construction. So hope you must have understood this. It's very easy, but you only thing need to make sure is these two rays are parallel. If these two rays are parallel, it will be accurately correct, precisely correct for you. So let's move on to the next construction. This is my second construction, in which they are asking us to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculations. So actually there is a construction in which we have to draw tangents to the circle from a point outside the circle. So it is similar to that one. This is exactly similar to that one. So we'll do that first, and then after we'll go for the second one. So this is the construction which we should have done it first. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from the center. Construct a pair of tangents to the circle. Also measure their lengths. So what we have to do is, first of all, we'll have to draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Measure 6 cm on scale, keeping your pointer at 0 and or vice versa. Okay. After that, you have to draw a circle of radius 6 cm. I think it will go outside this page, but it's okay, never mind. No, it's not. So rather I'll draw it on another page. Let me draw it right here. So construct a circle of that given radius. In this case, we are given circle of 6 cm radius. You also have to mark this center. So make sure that you note down the circle, center of the circle. So here's the center. So from that center, I have to draw a tangent from a point which is 10 cm away from the center. So I have to put another point at exactly 10 cm from this point. So here's my point. Let me call this point as point P. This is circle with center O and radius 6 cm. After this, I have to draw tangent from these 2 points. For that, what I have to do is, I have to join this line segment OP first. So you write down this, join points O and P. After that, you have to find the midpoint of this. In order to find out midpoint, we have to draw perpendicular bisector to this line segment. So in order to draw perpendicular bisector, you take radius approximately more than half of this and put 2 points where upar niche. Similarly, from this point, upar niche, upar niche. So you will get 2 more points. Join those 2 points. Precisely, you don't need to join these 2 points. Actually, what I need is, I only need this point. Let me call this point to be M. M is center of line segment OP. After obtaining midpoint, I have to draw another circle of center M and radius OM. Whatever I am speaking are the steps. So radius OM, which obviously will be exactly equal to MP as well, because MP and OM both will become radius. So I have to draw a lighter circle. So this circle is having center M and radius OM. So by doing that, this circle will intersect the original circle at 2 new points. Let me call this point as A and this as B. So these are the precise points where the tangent will touch this circle. In order to draw that, you have to make sure that you keep this circle outside over here. So, or make sure that circle is visible to you rather. So draw point from this point to this point. But make sure that this does not intersect at two different points. It should precisely intersect at one point only. Do the same over here. Why I'm asking you to keep it like this, so that you can see the circle and where it is intersecting. So these are my point, these are my tangents. AP and PB are the two tangents of mine. So you'll have to measure, at last you'll have to measure these two tangents, and both of them will be equal. Approximately what I'm getting right here is 8 centimeter over here and 8 centimeter over here. So this is my second construction, which is easiest one. So this is construction where I have to draw two tangents from a point outside the circle. Okay, hope you must have understood this. Let's move to second. So we already have read it, where we have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So we have a circle of radius 4 centimeter, और उसके ऊपर हमको टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है. कहाँ से ड्रॉ करना है? फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑन अ concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. We have to draw another circle having the same center, which circle with center with radius 4 centimeter, and measure its length as well. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So let's do this construction first, and then later on we'll do the rest. First of all, I have to draw a circle of 4 centimeter. So let me draw it. So my circle is ready, circle with 4 centimeter radius. I have to draw another concentric circle with radius 6 centimeter. So दूसरा circle draw करना है इसके बाहर, having the same center but with radius 6 centimeter. So keeping same center and circle. This is another circle. This circle is having radius of 6 centimeter. So from any point on this circle, means a point which is 6 centimeter away from that. It is similar to the previous construction. In previous construction, a point was given which was 10 centimeter away from the center. So let me call this center to be O. So any point on the circle with radius 6 will be 6 centimeter away from this. So you do the same steps as we did in the previous one. First of all, join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, this is my exterior. I can consider this point as my exterior point. Let me call it P. And now I have to draw 2 tangents on this interior circle. For that, I have to find out the midpoint. In order to find out midpoint, you know that I have to draw perpendicular bisector to this line segment. Perpendicular bisector can be drawn by constructing 2 arcs. यहाँ पर ऊपर नीचे. Another one ऊपर नीचे. So you will get 2 points. Join these 2 points and you will get your midpoint of the line segment. So this is my point, midpoint M. This is midpoint of OP. Now repeat the same procedure, taking M as a center and OM radius. So this is OM. You also verify it should touch right here as well. So taking this radius, I have to draw a circle. And wherever this circle intersects the original circle will be my final points, A and B. These are my final points. Now I have to make sure that there are many points so that you choose your point properly or wisely. I need to find out the intersection of this circle and the original circle. Once again, you'll have to make sure that you can see the circle, interior circle and the exterior point both, so that you have to turn the page accordingly and join this point and this point. So here's my tangent from a point on this circle of 6 centimeter. You also have to join one more tangent joining this point and P. So here are my two tangents from a point which is on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. So in first construction, a point which was given outside the circle at 10 centimeter, यानी बदले यहाँ पर क्या किया है, यहाँ पर उसको 6 centimeter अवे लिया गया है. तो ये भी आप कर सकते हो. It is similar to that one. You are also asked to verify the measurement of the by actual calculation. If you really want to make that calculation, what you'll have to do is, you know that this distance is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. You also know that this point, this is my radius of the inner circle, which is 4 centimeter. And you also know that this radius and tangent are mutually perpendicular to each other. So by using the Pythagoras theorem that OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square, you can find out the value of this tangent, length of tangent. Okay, so you have to measure this length of tangent using scale, and you also have to verify by doing calculation. OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square. Here PB is my length of tangent. OP is 6 square is equal to 4 square plus PB square. So therefore PB square is equal to 36 minus 16, so 20. So PB square will be equal to 20. Therefore PB is equal to root 20, or you can say 4 5s are. So 2 root 5 will be the length of this tangent. So 2.5, this will be somewhat 2.5. That's it. चलिए करते हैं और एक कंस्ट्रक्शन. ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर. टेक 2 पॉइंट्स P and Q ऑन वन ऑफ इट्स एक्सटेंडेड डायमीटर. डायमीटर को हमको एक्सटेंड करना है, और एक्सटेंडेड डायमीटर के ऊपर एक पॉइंट लेना है हमको P और दूसरा वाला लेना है Q. ऑन ईच ऑफ द डिस्टेंस हैविंग 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो दोनों का डिस्टेंस जो है सेंटर से 7 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. 7 सेंटीमीटर ऑन लेफ्ट साइड एंड 7 सेंटीमीटर ऑन द राइट साइड. ड्रॉ द टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल फ्रॉम दीज 2 पॉइंट्स P एंड Q. तो यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट की बजाय हमको दो वाले पॉइंट दिए हैं, एक इधर और एक उधर. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन सेम ही है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई अलग भी नहीं है, तो हम आसानी से कर सकेंगे. सबसे पहले हमको जो गिवन सर्कल है ये ड्रॉ करना है. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 3 centimeter. So I'll draw it and you see it. This is my circle with radius 4 centimeter. ठीक है. Now I have to take 2 points P and Q on either side of this having 7 centimeter distance. So I have to take 7 centimeter. Oh my god, I made a mistake. 7 centimeter on left hand side and 7 centimeter on right hand side. So I won't be able to do it. I'll have to take another. So I have drawn another circle right here because I was lacking some space. Now I have to take any one diameter, but I also want diameter which is extended one. And extended, how much extension do I need? 7 centimeter on the either side. So that I'll take 7 at the center. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 exactly at the center of this circle. And after that I'll draw a line segment of length 14 centimeter. You must have understood why have I done it, because I wanted 2 points P and Q which are 7 centimeter away from this center O. Now I have to draw 2 tangents from this point P and 2 tangents from point Q. You can do it very easily. So first of all I have to draw tangents from point P. In order to do that I have to find out the midpoint of this In order to find midpoint, I have to draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So just put upar niche and all this two arcs, join them. This is my point, midpoint M, I can say. Now taking M as a center and PM radius. I have to construct or complete the circle, which is not my primary circle, so that I have to draw it lighter. So now I can draw two tangents using scale. So I have to draw tangents from this point P, so that join P and this point. I may call this point to be A and B. Join these 2 points as well. So the tangents from one point is done. Do the same on the other side. For that क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर Q है, so Q और P इन दोनों का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. So how to find out mid point? You know that. थोड़ा more than half रेडियस ले लो, ऊपर नीचे, O के पास से ऊपर नीचे. So you'll get 2 more points. Let me call this point as C and D. You can name as you want. Join these two. Call this point midpoint N. Again, you construct a circle with radius, center N and radius ON. This is also extra circle, so I have to draw it lighter. So I have just touched it. Okay, never mind. Now tangent from this point Q to this circle, this original circle. Let me call this point to be C. Let me call this point, not this one, this point to be C and D, and construct these two tangents. Again from this point and C. तो आशा है कि आपको ये भी आ गया. यहाँ पर एक्सटेरियर पॉइंट से यहाँ पर इस अंदर वाले सर्कल के ऊपर 2 टेंजेंट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड एंड 2 टेंजेंट्स फ्रॉम राइट साइड. So what you are asked to do, draw this, that's it, nothing else. You have to, you'll just have to write the steps of construction, nothing else. Draw the construction neat and clean and write the steps of construction. You will definitely get 4 marks for this. So I'm a little bit in hurry and it's actually getting late, so that quickly I'll show you the 2 more constructions. This is one more construction. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So we are given a circle with radius 5 centimeter and we have to draw tangents. But which kind of tangents do I have to draw? I have to draw tangents which are inclined each other at an angle 60 degree. तो दोनों के बीच में 60 डिग्री एंगल हो, ऐसा हमको करना है. तो यहाँ पर what we actually do, if I want angle between these two to be 60, I have to draw 2 radii having 120 degree angle between them, because opposite angles are supplementary, since this quadrilateral will become cyclic quadrilateral. So quickly I will draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter. So here is a circle with center. Radius 5 centimeter. This is my center. Now draw any radius at any point on the circle. This is my first radius. I have extended it intentionally. Now draw another radius but making 120 degree. So you have to make 120 degree with this angle. So how to draw 120? 60 plus 60, you know that. So take arbitrary radius and draw an arc. Keeping the same radius, you draw one more arc which will give you 60 degree. Again from that 60 degree you go ahead another 60 degree. That 60 plus 60 will give you an angle of 120 degree. Join these two and you will get another radius, and between these two radii there is angle of 120 degree. If you want to have angle between two tangents to be 60 degree, the complementary angle of 60 is 120, so that you draw it like this. Now since the tangents are perpendicular to the radius at point of contact, यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. सो यहाँ पर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करने के लिए बहुत ही आसान रास्ता है, इसलिए मैं ये दिखा रहा हूँ. अलग तरीके से भी हो सकता है. सो इसके दोनों साइड पे यहाँ पर कट लगा लो. हो गया. यहाँ से ये वाला जो एक पॉइंट है, यहाँ से आर्क कोई भी एक रेडियस लेके कर लो और यहाँ से दूसरा वाला कर लो. सो यू विल गेट a point like this. Join this point and this point which will be tangent of yours. तो यहाँ पर एक tangent आपको मिल गया. ऐसे भी tangent draw कर सकते हैं. Join this point and this. So this is my one tangent, because you know that tangent will always be perpendicular to the radius. Do the same right here as well. यहाँ पर भी आपको same ही करना है. यहाँ पर भी tangent draw करना है. So arc on the left, arc on the right. From these 2 points, better you draw on this side because it is an empty side. So arc, arc. You will get a point. और यहाँ पर इसको join कर लो. That will give you one more tangent. But the beauty of this construction is you will automatically get 60 degree at this point. So here's a point P, I can say. Let me call this as Q, R, O. So angle RPQ will be 60 degree. How can you say that that angle between these two tangents is 60 degree? Because this is here cyclic quadrilateral, and in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary. So if 60 degree is asked, you have to take 120 degree right here. If it is asked by making some twist that draw two constructions making 120 degree between them, angle between the two tangents is 120 degree, then you will have to take this angle to be 60 degree only. The angle between two radii should be 60 degree. So this is the construction number 4. Let me move on to next construction number 5. Let's do this construction where draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. A के पास 4 centimeter वाला सर्कल बनाना है और B के पास हमको करना है एक सर्कल विथ सेंटर विथ रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर. तो एक के पास 4 सेंटीमीटर, दूसरे के पास 3 सेंटीमीटर. ये अलग अलग हो सकता है. आफ्टर दैट कंस्ट्रक्ट टेंजेंट्स टू ईच सर्कल फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अनदर सर्कल. तो एक सर्कल के सेंटर से दूसरे सर्कल के ऊपर टेंजेंट, ये वाले सर्कल के ऊपर यहाँ से 2 टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने. सो वेरी फर्स्ट जॉब ऑफ माइन इज टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ लेंथ 8 सेंटीमीटर. तो लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ लेंथ 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो here's line segment AB of length 8